Hello, my name is Jimmy and today we're with the 2021 BMW M8 Grand Coupe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Clek Liing and my Uppababy Cruz V2 inside this just to see exactly how it fits. So let's take a look. All right, the back seat of the BMW M8 Grand Coupe. This is definitely a coupe-like profile, so the ceiling is actually a little low. And because of that, we're gonna experience a little bit of problems. But I just wanna show you, I already have the Clek Liing base installed in here. The low leg is already out and it's, well, actually quite secure in here. The lower anchors are actually really easy to get a hold of. They're actually just underneath this magnetic flap. It's actually quite a nice design, so you don't lose like the plastic clips or anything like that. I like this overall. And of course, we have two sets of lower anchors, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. And there's 3 upper anchors on the top. As you can see, I actually moved the seat a little bit far forward because I want to show you what it actually takes to fit this seat inside this car. So let me show you. In order for me to put the Clek Liing in here, notice, no child, I gotta do this. I kind of have to wedge it in to put it in. Obviously, that's not the best way to put your child inside a vehicle, and I really don't think they're gonna be comfortable. So what you probably have to do, okay, all right, let's get this out first. Yep, there we go, is before you put the child seat in, you wanna lower this bar and then put them in. Notice how there's not a lot of clearance now. And then you put this bar back up. Then you can adjust the front seat back so then you have a little bit of legroom up there. Yeah, it's not perfect because, you know, it's a coupe-like profile. It's a very beautiful car, but putting child seats in here, definitely not as easy. But what you can do, I'm gonna bring this down just so that you can see me. Because of the Clek Liing, you can install this without the base. You can use the seat belt and it will make it easier. Or if you buy like the Liing Go, same thing. So yeah, an option for you. But let's take a look at the trunk. All right, let's see just how much of a struggle this is. You can kick to open, but the vehicle is unlocked right now, so that won't work. But let's see here. It's actually not bad. There's 11 cubic feet of space, so it actually fits in decently, but there isn't a whole lot of room for anything else. If I move the stroller all the way to the back, I mean, I can definitely get a couple bags of groceries in here, but not much more. So do keep that in mind if you're thinking about picking up a M8 Grand Coupe, especially the competition, for your next baby vehicle. In any case, thank you so much for watching. I have links to the Uppababy as well as the Clek in the description down below. You can click and take a look at them there. In any case, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.